This is Mitch Panter. I'm an attorney with the law firm of Panter Sampedro, and we handle accident cases. We're going to talk today a little bit about how much can someone sue for in a car accident case in the state of Florida. There are several different questions that you need to answer and several different issues that we have to address. First of all, who's at fault? Did the negligent driver have insurance coverage, and do you have car insurance coverage? Your car insurance coverage is what's called PIP, Personal Injury Protection. And to the extent that you have that, your insurance company will pay for 80% of your medical expenses and 60% of your lost wages under what's called PIP in the state of Florida. PIP is mandatory and it's necessary. The next layer of insurance is called uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. And this applies when the driver that hits you or the person at fault does not have bodily injury coverage. You can then look to your company to try to get benefits depending on the policy limits that you've got. Next issue that's important is what's called comparative negligence. And what that means is, did you do something? It could be 100% fault on the other driver, but it could be switched. It could be 20% your fault, 30% your fault. The law provides for you to still recover up to 50%. If the law finds and a judge or jury finds that you're 51% or more, then you lose. You don't get any recovery whatsoever. So it's important to make a determination as to who's at fault, including yourself. Insurance policy limits. Does the other driver have bodily injury insurance coverage? And if so, what are their limits? Generally speaking, you can only recover that much. We don't generally go after individuals because we only go after the insurance company to try to get those policies. Under certain circumstances, if we know the person's wealthy, we can go after them for policy limits plus additional funds. But for the most part, attorneys go after the insurance coverage that's available. How do you file a car accident? You go and you seek a lawyer. That's what we do at Panter Sampedro. And we seek two different types of damages. There are economic damages and non-economic damages. Economic damages are your property damage, your medical bills, your claim for lost wages. Non-economic are pain, suffering, disfigurement, scarring, emotional trauma. Those are what's called non-economic damages. At Panter Sampedro, we've got more than 35 years of experience in evaluating cases and making a determination as to what your case is worth. Give us a call at 305-662-6178 or visit us at panterlaw.com. Panter Sampedro is a law firm dedicated to protecting Florida's families.